Use an external microphone. Equipment. Accessory shoe. Mic adapter, horizontal version. Assembly. Attach the accessory shoe. Align the positioning points and buckles on the accessory shoe with the holes on the mounting bracket or wide-angle lens. Press firmly until the two parts are locked. Fix the microphone receiver to the accessory shoe. Attach the mic adapter, horizontal version. Remove the camera lock cover. Plug the mic adapter into the camera's USB Type-C port. Connect the microphone. Connect the receiver to the mic adapter. Attach the microphone in a place where it can collect the best sound. The USB Type-C port under the mic adapter can be connected to the ONE RS charger to charge while recording. Disassembly. Detach the accessory shoe. Press the buckle on the side of the accessory shoe, then pull it off.